Looking for ways to make money online? From freelancing to online courses and even social media influencing, we're about to reveal 20 innovative ideas that can boost your income. Stay tuned to discover 20 innovative ways to boost your income online. First, let's dive into the realm of freelancing. By offering your skills on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, you can earn a significant income. Or perhaps consider launching an online store on Etsy or eBay. Affiliate marketing is another lucrative option, promoting products for a commission. If you're more creatively inclined, content creation or designing online courses could be your calling. These are just a few of the countless possibilities the digital world offers. Now let's explore more specialized opportunities. Tutoring online allows you to share your knowledge and earn money from the comfort of your home. Selling photographs and ebooks has never been easier thanks to platforms like Adobe Stock and Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. Online consulting lets you leverage your expertise for profit. Lastly, creating and selling gaming products can turn your passion into a profitable venture. And we're just halfway through. Let's continue. Ready for more? Let's delve into the world of entertainment and services. You can monetize your podcast through sponsorships or earn from video streaming platforms. Try dropshipping or offer wellness coaching online. Your graphic design skills can find a market, as can your knack for copywriting. Become a virtual assistant, write ebooks, or teach language courses online. The social media space is a goldmine for influencers, with sponsorships, ads, and affiliate marketing. And there you have it, 20 compelling ideas to make money online. So, are you ready to start your online money-making journey? Explore these opportunities, find your fit. Remember, the internet is a vast ocean of opportunities. Dive in and start making money today.